Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamsky and I'd like to present you a game I'm working on, Arcade Shop Simulator. The link to the Discord server is in the description, so if you want to be up to date with this game, please join the Discord channel. There's no Steam page yet, but I'm going to do it probably even before Christmas, but if you are interested now, join the Discord server. Every update is gonna be there. So let me tell you what this game is all about. You're basically a manager of your own arcade shop. You manage arcades, and let me tell you what I did since the last devlog. So I add a computer from the era. I made this nice pixel art animation. I add this desktop, but it's still a lot of things needs to be added. I made some changes with the UX regarding games. You can just there's no this ugly menu that was with the game. If you wanna sell the game, for example, you not open the menu, you just place it here when you can sell it for 42. Let's do it. My money upgraded. So yeah, you need to fix those games, and if the game earn some money, you need to collect this money. So open the doors and let the teenagers in. So these are the teenagers. I made new meshes for them. Before I used Unreal Engine default mannequins, so now there are meshes. Also trashes are also have meshes now, and I add some sounds when you pick up trashes. This is tricky because sometimes trashes could be underneath your games. Luckily now, the trash could be between games. Yeah, and I need to get my money. And yes, I need to get my money from all of the games. I'm still working on the games itself. I add some nice fonts and nice names for the games, like Blooper Cardio Frost or Noon Flagpole or stuff like that. So let me show you how the menu works. So I made this menu that looks like Windows 98. I hope Microsoft will not sue me for this. So you can buy games. You can buy Ali Warrior, for example. I have now millions of dollars because I want to show you everything. But if you buy a game, you can now unpack it and you can move it here. Can I move it? I probably need to clean first, and yeah. And if I'm cleaning, you can look that my reputation goes up. The condition of the games affect reputation, but also the amounts of trashes. So you need to clean up every time. But let's go to the shop. We can buy games. Sometimes we can even bargain for a game. This one is cheap, but let's try buy it for 5. No, he can't get that low. 6, still can, maybe 7. Yes, we can have a deal, so now I can bargain this game. $1 cheaper. This is big win for me. But unfortunately, I don't have room for this game. What can I do with it? Maybe I can sell this one. Yeah, let's sell this one. And the game has to be near the electrical socket to be working. But also what you can do is you can upgrade your shop, and for example you can buy a carpet. Let's buy this kind of carpet and look how beautiful it is. Okay, let's get another bunch of teenagers playing our games. I'm gonna make animation, at least animation poses for them, because now they are just standing there. But what I can do is I can upgrade shop and I can buy vacuum cleaner. And now cleaning will be much easier. I still have some of the trashes. I'm not sure. There's something buggy here. Oh, there are the trashes. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you, I'm working on statistics. So here you can see how reputation look at your first day, how much money you got, how many games you had, and in the second day it was less money, but you get more games, but the reputation dropped. And this is your statistic, your money earned total and number of days. So yeah, this is my game, Arcade Shop Simulator. Please do not abbreviate the name. And if you are interested, join the Discord server. The descriptions in the comment. And I hope you will buy this game when I put it on Steam. I'm planning to release it at the beginning of the next year, so probably it's gonna be like 3 months more or less. So please join the Discord channel and see you next time. Thanks.